Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a GIF to Streamlabs OBS. Let's jump right into it. Let's add a new source. Simply click on the plus button in your sources panel and choose the option labeled Media Source. You'll notice it supports multiple file types, including GIFs, which is exactly what we need. Click Add Source, give it a name like Subscribe GIF or anything you prefer, and click Add Source again to move forward. Now browse through your files to find the GIF you want to use. Once selected, you'll notice that GIFs usually loop once and stop. To keep it repeating, check the box that says Loop, then hit Close. You can now see the GIF on your screen. Feel free to drag and resize it however you like to make it fit your layout. If your GIF has a green background, no worries, we can remove that easily. Just right-click on the GIF source, go to Filters, then click Add Filter. Choose Chroma Key from the list, hit Add, and that green background should disappear instantly. And there you have it. Your GIF is now playing seamlessly on your stream, and you can position it anywhere you like. That's how you can bring animated visuals into Streamlabs OBS for a more engaging viewer experience.